There's also another topic, another headline we want to get to, and that is the lawsuits against Diddy, which, of course, we've also talked with you about before. But he had settled with Cassie, and now he's facing new accusations. And I believe they're from a young accuser in this, 17 years old, if I'm correct, Megan.
Yes, and this is the same set of attorneys who represented Cassie, and they mentioned that lawsuit in their complaint. This is a woman who so far has stayed anonymous, and she's identified as Jane Doe in the complaint. And it says that she was 17 when she met Diddy and through Harve Pierre, who is an executive for Bad Boy Entertainment, which is Diddy's company. This is his label and the music label behind so many hip hop stars that we've known over the years. And the complaint goes into pretty graphic detail about this. And this was years ago. I think it was almost 20 years ago that she says that this happened. And it's a graphic description of similar to some of the other current allegations against him. The Cassie case settled, but there are some other active lawsuits that have been filed against him in the last few months that really are similar to what Cassie's lawyers are alleging he did to this woman 20 years ago. And the point of contention right now is, as I said, they filed this under a Jane Doe name, and Diddy's lawyers objected to them doing that. They said they wouldn't stipulate and say, okay, you can proceed anonymously. So Cassie's lawyers have filed something on behalf of their new plaintiffs asking the judge to allow her to proceed anonymously because of all the coverage going on, just because of, coverage such as this, just all the eyeballs that are going to be on this. They think it's important to protect her identity on this. So I imagine we'll be seeing a formal opposition filed soon by Diddy's lawyers. And that's going to set up the first big judicial decision in this lawsuit for Diddy.
Yeah, and Megan, as always, it's so great to have you on to break down all of these major headlines, court cases, you name it. Always a great person to talk to. So thank you so much for coming on tonight.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Thank you. And we'll talk to you soon, especially as many of these cases continue to progress.